All right, listen to this, guys. If you're trying to create multiple Gmail accounts from one device, you will get blocked. But in today's video, I'll show you how to create multiple Gmail account using proxy from proxy-sale.com, and you can create multiple Gmail account at any time you want to, and even anonymously. So let's get started. All right, guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's NHLC here. In today's video, we are diving into a very powerful method to creating unlimited Gmail account without getting flagged. And now we are going to be doing this using residential proxies. This is the same technique marketers, agencies, and automation experts are using every single day. Now let's talk about the main reason why it could get to block you. Now Google watches everything, including your IP, your device fingerprint, your cookies, and so many other things you might not be paying attention to. And most importantly, even your behavior when trying to create multiple Gmail account. So when you try to create multiple Gmail account from the same IP or from the same device, you will quickly run into phone verifications, recaptchas, and sometimes you get banned immediately. Now, this is where proxies come in. Now, proxies changes your IP address. So every time you create a new account, it looks like you are in the new location using a new device. So everything is just brand new. Now, I've tested multiple providers, but Proxy-Sale.com stand out because they offer real residential and mobile proxies, right? You can choose country-specific IPs. Their proxies are fast and reliable for Google services. And also you get to access 24/7 support if anything goes wrong. I mean, there's somebody sitting at the other end waiting for your query. Plus, they are very affordable, and guess what? They even offer free proxies you and I can always make use of every single day. And I've included a specific discount link in the description box below just only for my subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, do also subscribe so you can also have access to the discount link. Alright, right now, so we are going to be setting up our own Proxy-Sale proxies. Now, let me show you how to set up very easy in a very simple step. The first thing you want to do is to come over to Proxy-Sale.com, and trust me, you can find the link now in the description box below. So go ahead and sign up. Once you sign up, you want to log in into your account, and from here, once you are right here, what you need to do now, guys, follow me. You need to go over to this place that says residential proxies. And now the reason why we are using residential proxies is because we want to get the best result for ourselves. Now, the next thing you have to do is to choose your tariff plan. And now choosing your tariff plan, you can see you have quite an amount of tariff plans that you can go with. And really, guys, I'm going to recommend you go with the pay-as-you-go plan. And this is the cheat here. Now, going with the pay-as-you-go plan means that you are only paying for what you're using. Now, unlike other ones that you just have to pay in some money and you might not even use it. And sometimes you might even want to go extra, but the plans that you are using might not be able to. And that's why I recommend the pay-as-you-go plan. Why? Because you are only paying for what you are using. Now, once you go with that, you want to come over to this particular place here. Now, you can see where it says choose your purpose of use. Now, go ahead and choose that and your specific and specify your service. So once you've been able to fit all of this rightly, go ahead and choose select your payment method, and of course you have quite an amount of multiple payment method that you can use. So after you've been able to purchase, now you're going to be having your IP proxies, your username, and so many other details right here. So what you need to do now is you can copy your proxy IP, your port, your username, and even password. Now to use these proxies, okay, to use these proxies, you can do this in two ways. Number one is you can manually configure them in your browser. So let's say you're making use of a particular browser, you can configure this right into your browser. And the second thing you can use is something I recommend as well, is to use profile manager like Multilogin, Incogniton, or even just Firefox containers for your free browser separation. Alright, so now that we are rolling on the clear proxy IP, you can go over to account.google.com and start creating your multiple Gmail account. And now some of the things I would like to share with you when creating your Google account is that you want to always clear your cookies or use incognito mode, alright? Because trust me, Google is also powerful when trying to detect unnecessary activities going on the platform. So you want to make sure you're constantly clearing your cookies, and you can once in a while use incognito mode. And now change your browser fingerprint or user agent if possible. So avoid rushing, okay? Avoid rushing. Don't just create one account now in the next 2 minutes you're creating another. Please give quite an amount of minutes before you try again in creating a new account. Because even with proxies, Google would still dictate patterns, and from these patterns, they can either flag your account or they can ban you. So you want to make sure that you are using the same recovery email for every of your account. Right? You should have one verified email that you are using as a recovery email for every of the account that you are creating. This will tell Google, okay, that this particular account that you are creating is linked to an account that has been verified few months back or few years back. So you want to also use copy and paste the same name and information so you don't forget. And most importantly, guys, you want to always make sure you have your password stored up in a file so to avoid forget password and all of that. Because once you begin to try and forget the password all of the time, Google is going to detect that this could be a red flag and they can ban your account. So creating multiple Gmail accounts should not be hard when trying to use proxies. Like I showed you, all you have to do is to use Proxy-Sale.com to create proxies for yourself. You can buy them for as cheap as 90 cents. I mean, not even $1. So once you've been able to get your proxy, configure them into your browser like I showed you. All right. Now, once you've been able to do all of that, then you can now proceed. Go over to your favorite browser and you can start creating multiple Gmail accounts. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech automation tricks and good hacks. So the link to proxysale.com is going to be in the description box below, and it includes a special discount just for my subscribers. So thank you so much for watching. So make sure to use the promo code to have a discount when trying to purchase a plan. And I'll see you in my other videos. Please take care of yourself and bye.